Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to show you how you can create a map visual by using longitude and latitude. So this is the dataset of New Zealand earthquakes. I will give the link below in the description box where you can get this dataset from. So for creating the map visual we are going to use these three columns: longitude, latitude and magnitude. So for now I'm going to load this dataset. Now once my dataset is loaded, I'm going to select the normal map visual in Power BI, and by normal map visual I mean by this map visual, not the ArcGIS map. After selecting the visual, I'm going to increase the size of it, and then it's pretty simple. I'm just going to pick latitude and put it right here, and pick longitude and put it right here. Map visual usually takes a while to load, so we will wait for that. So as you can see that my map visual is already loaded and it shows us a lot of data points right now. So now we are going to filter some of the data out of it because we don't want to view a lot of data points. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the magnitude column and drag it right here into the filters. After that I'm going to select is greater than or equal to, and I'm going to choose the magnitude as 3, and then I'm going to apply filter. So what it is going to do is it is going to show me the places or the data points with the magnitude greater than or equal to 3. It is still a lot of data points, so we will choose 3.7 as our filter, and then here you go, you can see that we have a lot less data points, which is more visually appealing. Now I'm going to drag the locations. So as you can see that these are the data points outside New Zealand. We will just drag it more, and we are going to change our magnitude filter again to 3. And one more thing that you can do is you can turn off the auto zoom in map visual. So for that you are going to go into the format visual. You're going to go into map settings, controls, and then you are going to turn off the auto zoom. Apart from that, you can also change the style of the map. Right now the style is road. You can select any style you want. Let's do aerial. This is the aerial, and then you can also do grayscale, light. You can select any of the style you want according to your requirements. One more thing that you can do is you can also change the color of the bubbles. Right now it is blue, so you can also increase the size of the bubble, and then you can also change the color of the bubble. One more thing that you can do is you can select heat map instead of bubbles. So now we can see heat maps instead of bubbles, but I find bubbles more visually appealing, so I'm going to go with bubbles now. So this is the map which is showing us all the data points for the places where the earthquake has happened, and you can select any magnitude you want. Let me select 4 now. Shows me now very less places. So I hope you liked this video and you found this video helpful. Let us know your thoughts below. See you in the next video.